problem solving through programming in C.
Pattern programs in C. Pattern programs in C language. These programs print various patterns of numbers and stars. These codes illustrate how to create various patterns using C programming. The C programs involve usage of nested for loops, a for loop inside a for loop. A pattern of numbers, star, or characters is a way of arranging these in some logical manner, or they may form a sequence. Some of these patterns are triangles, which have special importance in mathematics. Some patterns are symmetrical while others are not. Please see the complete. Line 1, column 1, chars 550.
Write a C program to print the following pyramid pattern up to and th row, where n, number of rows to be printed, is taken as input.